Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is from our Bagua training. It is the first Bagua Post Training Exercise. It's for conditioning and power. But before we do that, I need you to go over to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a nice day.
Okay, Bagua Post Training. Develop the bones and tendons. Okay, we sometimes call it bone knocking, to get some resiliency, and also start to develop the iron forearms and palms here. So the first one's double. So you're going to come across the body, you're going to slap inside, strike with your forearm on the opposite side of the post, then work completely to the inside of the post. So from here, my first shot is here. Right, so that's that motion here. So it's a strike, and I come back across and I strike. So ideally you should start with padding. Once your arms get hard enough and you don't need the padding, that's fine. So again, it's going to be 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So let's just look at that on the other side. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So ideally you want to train each of these exercises for at least a minute each side. In between, I recommend the Da Chow on both the palms and the forearms.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.